Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Google Chrome browser is failing to load a website and displaying the ERR connection closed error, it means the host server or your local network abruptly terminated the data transfer before it could finish. I will show you exactly how to reset your network protocols and fix this connection block right now. Let's get started. First, the most common culprit for a suddenly closed connection on Windows is a corrupted local DNS cache or a broken network socket. Click on your Windows Start menu, type CMD into the search bar, right-click on the command prompt application, and select Run as Administrator. Inside the black window, carefully type ipconfig //flush DNS and press Enter to instantly clear your DNS cache. Next, type netsh Winsock reset and press Enter to rebuild your network adapters. You will need to restart your computer for these deep system changes to take full effect, but this alone resolves the vast majority of sudden connection drops. Next, if your Windows network is perfectly fine, the Google Chrome browser itself might be holding on to a broken, timed-out socket connection to that specific website. Open Chrome and click on the main address bar at the very top. Type exactly chrome://net-internals/#sockets and hit Enter. Look at the menu on the left to ensure you are on the Sockets tab, and then click the button on the right that says Flush Socket Pools. This safely forces the browser to drop all idle background connections and request a brand new, clean handshake the next time you try to load the page. Finally, aggressive VPN software or misconfigured system proxies can actively intercept and shut down your web traffic before it reaches the browser. Press the Windows key plus I at the same time to open your Settings application. Navigate to Network and Internet and then select the Proxy menu. Look for the Manual Proxy Setup section and make sure the switch for Use a Proxy Server is turned completely off. Additionally, if you have a third-party VPN running in your system tray, right-click its icon and disconnect it temporarily. Try loading the website again on your direct, unfiltered internet connection, and the page should render perfectly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.